Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make the stuffing of the season. This is our sausage cornbread stuffing. This stuff is awesome. We're going to start out, we got a hot pan here, add some oil to that, just a drizzle or so. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want. I prefer olive oil. We've got to get our vegetables, we got to get them sauteed up. So we've got some onion and some chopped celery here. Saute those for about 3 or 4 minutes, just get them a little bit soft. And then we are going to add our sausage. I like mild sausage, you might like hot, you can use whichever one you want, but you just want to get that browned up and let those vegetables get even a little bit softer. Now it's time to deglaze our pan. We're going to take about 1/2 cup of our pumpkin wine. If you've never had our pumpkin wine, it's going to give you a little bit of that spice in there. It's going to add some flavor to this dressing that we're making, but it's also really good with your dinner and with your pumpkin pie afterwards. So now we're going to add our cornbread. Now what we've got the pre-made cornbread in the package. We're going to use that, but Margie, who works in the warehouse here, she gave me a cool tip the other day. If you're going to make your own cornbread for this, make sure you use a very thin sheet pan because you want those edges super crispy. So we're going to add that in there, and then we're going to add our herbs. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, but not the rosemary. Now you're going to take 1 egg, go ahead and get that beaten, add that into your mix here, and then we need a little bit of chicken broth, or if you can find turkey broth, that works awesome. About 1 cup of that, and if it's still too dry, you can add a little bit at a time, about 1 tablespoon at a time, moisten it up a little bit. Now the last 2 things that we want to add here, it's actually optional. I love, and a lot of people love, apples with pork. So we're going to add some chopped up apples, and then also some pecans or pecans, depending on where you're from. It is a southern thing, and a lot of times with your Thanksgiving dinner, you're gonna have pecan pie, so this goes really well. It gives it that extra crunch in that stuffing also. All right, we're gonna cook this in a casserole dish. Now, if you want, you can put it right in your turkey. We're gonna do this casserole and cover it, but you're gonna tent that a little bit. Cook it at 325 for 45 minutes. After 35 minutes, you're gonna take that covering off and let it cook the last 10 minutes uncovered. It smells so good, it's so warm, but to make this perfect, it needs gravy. We got our gravy poured over this. The smell is amazing. Let's give this a taste. Oh, get a big scoop on there. That onion, that celery, and that pumpkin. That pumpkin and that apple together, it just gives you that holiday taste. I'm telling you right now. You get a little bit of that sweetness from that pumpkin wine. Just adds so much to this. You guys got to take this home with you. Make this recipe. Take it to your favorite party this year. It's going to be the hit of the season, I'm telling you. Guys, this is Frank. Stay safe, and I'm out.